football is back, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can legally watch every single in-market game for just $89. That's right, not that expensive. It does get a little confusing, but only $89. Now, this is for people that are in the United States that wanna watch a game every single time slot on your TV, and you wanna watch it live. And of course, legally. Now, if you wanna pick and choose and watch out-of-market games as well as in-market games, you're gonna need NFL Sunday Ticket. Now, if you're gonna need that, you're gonna have to go to that video right there. But since you're still here, let's get into it. All right, to get started, let's talk about every Sunday afternoon game. We're talking about the 10 and the 1 p.m. Pacific time games for all 18 weeks. Now, in order to watch these games, you're gonna need access to CBS and to Fox. So the cheapest way to do this is to get a TV antenna. Now, a TV antenna just plugs into the back of your television, picks up all of your local channels, and it'll include CBS, it'll include Fox, it'll include NBC, it'll include ABC. All of these will be included with that one-time purchase of the TV antenna. There's no subscription, it is all free. I know, TV antennas are still around and they're fantastic. Now, if you want to get an awesome one, it's going to be $35. But if you want to go the cheap route, I'm telling you, I've seen them at discount dollar stores for $3, $4. I'll drop a link for the good one. Now, for these games also, if you don't mind watching them on your phone, you could always get NFL Plus, which is still very, very affordable at $7 a month. And you're going to need access to this subscription service for at least 5 months. So again, another $35. And trust me, the NFL Plus will come in a little handy later. Now next, let's get into every Sunday night football game. Now, Sunday Night Football is exclusively on NBC and on Peacock. But we do not want to get the Peacock subscription for the entire year. So again, all we're gonna need is that TV antenna, and it's got this covered as well. Now let's get into one of the more complicated ones. It's every year this is the most complicated one, and that is Monday Night Football. Now for Monday Night Football, sometimes there's 2 games, sometimes there's international games, sometimes there's weird time slots, so it can get a little complicated. Now most of the Monday Night Football games, 70% of them, will be broadcasted on ESPN and ABC. So again, that beautiful $35 TV antenna is gonna take us to the promised land with this as well. There's nothing extra you gotta buy. The TV antenna does pick up ABC as well. And then all of the random games, some international games, there's some early Monday Night Football games, those other games will be covered by NFL Plus. Now with NFL Plus, again, you cannot stream it on your television, unless you get a little creative. If you know, you know. Now next will be Thursday Night Football. Now every single Thursday Night Football game is gonna be aired on Amazon Prime Video. There's no way around that, it's on Prime Video. But that's why I clicked on this video. There's actually a free way to legally watch every single Thursday Night Football games, and that is through Twitch. Prime Video has its own Twitch channel, and they do stream Thursday Night Football on that. So you just go over to Twitch and you can watch every single Thursday Night Football game for free. Not a lot of people know about that, so definitely check that out. And don't give Amazon more of your money, you know? Now for a couple of the random games. Now there's one Friday game, which is gonna be the second game of the NFL season, and that's actually gonna be airing on YouTube for free. So all you need is a YouTube account and you're good to go. Now also there will be a couple Christmas games. Unfortunately, Netflix is very stingy. No free trials, none of that. You're gonna have to get Netflix with ads, which, let me double check, comes out to $8 a month. So not too expensive, but still kind of annoying. But if you want to watch those Christmas games, it's going to be $8. And then lastly, we also have one random Week 17 Saturday night football game that's going to be airing on Peacock. And again, you're going to have to buy Peacock for 1 month. It's an exclusive for Peacock, and that's going to be $11. Now, if you add all of that up, we got the TV antenna for $35. We got NFL Plus, another $35. We got 1 month of Netflix and 1 month of Peacock. That is gonna be that beautiful $89 for the entire year. And you could pretty much watch any game that you want. That's pretty fantastic, especially when everything is getting more expensive. This is your way to watch as much NFL action as you want for such a cheap price point. All right, that is it. That is all I got for today's video. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said, you can hit me up in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.